Hi again, your instructor here with some tips on section 6 of the annual report project. I know that cash flows can seem a little bit intimidating, so this section is just about tell me what the operating cash flows, the financing cash flows, and the investing cash flows looked like, and then we're going to think about those relationships a little bit. So I'm going to give you a freebie on this one. So your operating cash flows, one of the things that you're going to be asked for is for the main component of operating cash flows. What I mean by that is I want you to tell me what the main component is, which is net income. You're looking for net income. And then tell me what the largest item is that's getting added back to net income in order to arrive at those operating cash flows. It's usually going to be one of a few things, and I'm not going to say what those things are, but you can find the one that's the largest on your operating cash flows section of the cash flow statement and tell me what that is. Next, financing cash flows. You're going to tell me what the largest component of that is. Tell me what you think that the company might be doing since we have these kinds of cash flows. Same thing in the investing section. Tell me what it seems like your company is doing because they're spending more money in this area or they are getting money from this area. Remember, positive and negative numbers on the cash flow statement don't necessarily mean a loss or income. They just mean that the company has either used cash in this area or they have gotten cash from this area. So if I have a negative number in the investing section, I've used money on investing. If I have a positive number in the investing section, that means I got in cash from this section. So don't think of things in terms of profit or loss. In section 6, we don't want to use those words. So if you're having trouble understanding that concept, send me an email or stop by virtual office hours and we can talk about it more. Thanks.